What's up, y'all? Happy Sunday. Good evening, because I ain't been vlogging all day. The girl is about to eat. Let me just put this hot sauce on here. Y'all, hot sauce and corn chips. Oh my god. Or hot sauce and plain Lay's. Oh Lord Jesus. Anyway, I'm having corn dogs and mustard. Okay. Yeah, it's good. At the gas station getting snacks, y'all. What about the orange? You love orange. Let him get desperate. Girl, be quiet. That's what you want. Yeah. Show him that orange drink, because he probably didn't see it. Because that's his favorite. The orange Fanta.
It's right there.
Oh, I didn't see they have it down here. Look, bud. Which one? See? I told you he liked that orange. He didn't see. No, he did not. He didn't see it. Come on. Jayden, we got those at home, buddy. We got those at home. That's strawberry. You don't even eat strawberry.
That's cherry.
What is that? You don't eat cherry either. But we gonna try it, okay? We can go down here, bud. We can go down here. Go down.
You better get him some troubles. Yeah. Spend all your money. You want some milk?
Maya, if you don't be quiet right now, I swear to God. I gotta wipe this. Okay, let's go. Come on. You ready? Come on, let's go.
Mama, these are good.
I know. Wait, do you want some, Maya? Go ahead and get them.
Couple things I want.
No, you ain't getting a couple of nothing.
Golly. Oh,
Okay, let's go.
Here, mommy. That's it.
Go ahead. Uh-oh. Sister, can you get those? Oh, Jayden got it. Okay. Go ahead. Getting it out your eyes. Lift your head up so it won't be in your eyes. What up, y'all? What's today? Happy Monday? But y'all not gonna get this on Monday though. But this is Monday today. Happy Monday. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. Thought I'd just come on here and do this ponytail that I've been doing for the last, past, I don't even know how long I've been wearing it. It's been a while. So, y'all, look at my hair. It's still straight. but it is itching a little bit at the top because she didn't use the shampoo that I usually use because I forgot to bring it. But okay, so all I do is part my hair in the middle because I need to hurry up and do this. Part my hair in the middle, carve out my two little, you know, pieces of bang, I guess is what you would call it. But I have to turn this way so I can get it even, y'all. Okay, let's see. So you have your two, hold up. Okay, you have your two little pieces, like so. And you're going to twist these together and put them away. You're just gonna put these away so you can work on, I just put them in like a little knot and pin it, just like that. So now we're gonna get our paddle brush. Y'all, she didn't put no type of products in my hair at all. I haven't put any products in my hair, no oil, no nothing. All I've been using for my edges was this stuff I heard about through TikTok. It was expensive. I got it off of I was about to say eBay, Amazon. And I just use this to smooth my edges. So I'm about to use that much. I put it in my hand, swirl it around like so. Touch my all sides of my hair. Then I was supposed to do this before I put that stuff on my hair. I was supposed to brush it up where I want it, which is at the very top. That's how I like to wear my ponytails. Then you get a brush that looks like this. And make sure you have your ponytail holder ready. Got some hair mixed up in here. Here we go. Okay. Sometimes it take a little bit to get my hair in a freaking ponytail. Okay. I got a shot, but I think it's a little off-centered, it seemed like. It's only because I'm recording it because it ain't never off-centered. Okay, so you just brush around, make sure everything is smooth. Get all the loose hairs up. Throw them in the trash. Y'all, I hate loose hairs everywhere. Oh my God. I experience that a lot when I'm wearing wigs, but my hair is shedding a little bit too. Okay, so you take your comb and you have your curling iron on already. Take a piece like so. Break and curl it. In a spiral like curl. And you're gonna have to hold it on there for a little bit to make sure that it's going to curl. And then I'm gonna use a roller to roll it up. Make sure you roll it while it's hot so it can cool down on the flexi rod. You see? Boom. So you need to hurry up and get it in one of these so we can keep that curl. You can wrap it around, you can roll it around like you do, put it on there however you want. But just make sure, I hope y'all see this, it's on there. There. And you just keep curling, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna make y'all watch the whole thing. I usually only do like 4 curls, but I want to do it in smaller sections this time because I want it to be curlier. Oh yeah, I don't even know what we're eating today. I was thinking Jamaican food, but I don't know. For some reason, I kind of want to do this other video that I had planned on doing. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Okay. Boom. Let's get a roller or a plexi rod, whatever. You could use rollers too. I don't think I'm gonna leave the ends out this time. I'm gonna roll those edges, those ends up. Like that. All right, I'll be back. All right, y'all, so we're gonna do the front 2 pieces. I think I already showed y'all this, but I'll show you again. I just curl away from my face. I'm gonna have to figure out another way to wear my hair, y'all. I just don't know. Because I don't want to wear it down. And I feel like that's the only other way. Clip it. Come on. Y'all, I thought it was stuck. See, it didn't curl like I wanted it to. Maybe I should do it again. Now, come on now. Do right. Do right, I say. Do right. Okay. Y'all, I better curl right. I'm over here sweating. I gotta go and make my face up. Ouch, that's hot. Much better. Much better. You take her up like so. Wait. Twirl her. pin it. Boom. Let's go do this makeup. Alright, y'all. Here we go. This is the ponytail. I just spread the curls out. I didn't comb them or anything like that. I just separated them. And that's it. This is it. I'm about to film. This is the lip. Fenty on the lips. Beauty Supply lip liner. I don't even know what color it is. But